Anybody can say they keep the job clean and safe. We want to hear from our customers. When we get satisfaction surveys back that tell us that we're the best home improvement company that they've ever dealt with, that means the world to us.
The salesman was very professional. It was a big contract. I mean, it was a big item, and it came here and just signed the contract and agreement and felt very comfortable because of that. But it's interesting, as many windows we put in this house, they were done in one day. So that was amazing.
Even though we may not ever hear from the homeowner again after they replace their windows and doors because it is a permanent solution, we definitely want to make sure they're happy because they're going to refer us out to other homeowners or friends or family.
Oh, I'm thrilled with our windows, and I'm thrilled with the job that they did. It's a big investment. It's not something that you just call up and say, I think today I'm going to get new windows. You have to know what you're looking at. You don't want to spend that money for something that's not going to hold up. All of a sudden, the investment didn't seem like it was that big of a deal because it was worth every minute.
And then we had the salesman we called, and our salesman came out, and I think he did a great job. He just made us feel comfortable.
We're truly out there to help people. It's not just about making the sale. The sales will come if truly our best interest is to help folks.
You couldn't tell that they had been here when they left. So they cleaned up all of their mess. They had a team of guys that came in one behind the other, and they would clean up after themselves, and then there was an awesome guy that came and cleaned the windows. They were cleaner when they left than before they got here.